guys, ito yung mga nabili ko. Ito, Amsterdam cheese. Alright, sarap. Tapos yung sombrero, ito, Amsterdam. And then, syempre yung jacket natin na bike. Nakita nyo naman na to. Amsterdam, Holland. Yun lang. And then the ref magnets at saka ano. Right? Blessed Sunday everyone. Going to church. Church. This is Bruxelles. Ang ganda rin ng ano, mga buildings, architectures, full POV. Ganda. Ano yung sa malaking building, ang taas. Ito nyo ba? Taas oh. Alright, see you in the church. Sama na naka-open.
Znowu on przyjdzie, ja później będę musiała iść.
This is the park. Value du Park. Value du Park. Laki oh. Sarap magpalipad dyan ng drone guys.
Hanggang kailan ka dito anak?
Hanggang 5 lang po, 5.
Galing ka na, one week ago. Malamig dito.
We're here now in the church, guys. Church. Nauna na si Madam. Bilis maglakad si Madam, guys. Nandun na siya kagad sa church. Alright. Church muna, guys. Para mabendisyonan. This is our recollection. Resurrection. Alright. See you in a bit inside, guys. Let's go. Morning po. Morning.
Jason?
Opo, Jason. Opo. Subscribe. Pass me. Pass. Pass.
YouTuber allowed. No.
Thanks guys. Ciao ciao. Ito yung underground nila guys. Ng simbahan. Bango dito. Bango guys. May perfume. Let's go. Alright, we're done with the church and mga buildings. Ayan, no? Alright guys. So now we're going to Midi again. And then from Midi, going to Bruges. Bruges. Kanila sa amin, Bruges. Yeah. Ito, Asian store yata ito guys. So mga Pakistan. Yung mga bilihan guys. Mga gulay-gulay. Prutas pala. And gulay. Alright. La Monsieur de la Solidarité. Let's go. Hindi ko na na-video yung kanina. Dami kasing tao guys. Nakakahiya. Ayan, dami mga shops. Ayan. Ayan, ganda oh. Kita nyo ba guys? Sarap mag-bike. Biking pa rin. Biking pa rin ba tayo guys? Hindi na. Ka-upgrade na tayo soon. Into camper van. Let's go. Diyan. Yan dahil guys, less train ngayon dahil may strike. So first class tayo. Ang kinuha natin is first class going to Bruges. Yan. Bruges. So ang alis namin dito is 3:03, platform 9. Where's the 9? And then going back is 7:59 going home.
Platform 9.
No, 3:03, platform 9. 9 is I think there, 9. So see you in a bit guys. Libot muna kami sa labas. Let's go. Tayo guys sa flea market here. Tingnan tayo ng mga jogging pants na may zipper. Oh, ang dami guys. Tayo sa may araw para mainit. Ito mga pants, jogging pants. Mahal guys. 15 pants. Jogging pants na may zipper. Wala. Pero madami pagpilian guys. Pero ang gusto kong ibili sa akin ni Hermats. Ito. Gusto niyang bilhin na ako nito eh. Wala, jogging pants 8. Oh. So walang zipper. Let's go. Oh, this is the flea market. Ganda nun, no? Spot mo. Yan guys, tanong ko si madam kung mayroon ba ditong local street food. Wala daw guys. Kinakain ko yun. Tinapay na napakatigas. Italian. Tintin pa tayo doon mamaya. Yung sa taas yung train. Dito tayo sa Midi Station. Let's go! Yan pala guys, meron silang street food dito eh. Le Creve.
La fille c'est par là.
There's a line there.
Regardez, si c'est trop cuit, je change. Si c'est trop cuit, je vais goûter. Si c'est trop cuit, je change.
Side us. Anong lasa po, ma'am? Ha? Huba? What's good?
Guti crab ah.
Gutikre.
Crab la Belgique.
Gutikre Belgique. Brussels.
Brochure.
What's good?
Yeah.
What's good?
Yeah.
Bia, bia. Huba, huba. Si madam naka first class si madam.
Cake. Cake.
First class si madam, guys.
So tight. Stop thinking. Every time I've got. Does no one else got one? Oh, I actually can't think of anyone. There's a big one. There's a big one. He's a well run out. One I'm well, very well run out.
Yun, dito na tayo sa Bruges. Ano tayo? Going to Central. Keskus. Alright? May lalakarin mo pag ano. Punta ka lang sentrum. Let's go. Libot-libot tayo muna. Here in Brussels. Ang taas, guys. Tayo sa sentrum. Daming tao. Lakad tayo dun.
Kita ka shop, you know.
Ayan yung church nila, guys. So, ang laki. Ganda. Ito sa Bruges. Yan, walking around lang tayo, guys. Ayan, dyan. Ay, Skechers lang yan. Skechers lang lahat yan. Walang ano. Meron.
Tingin ka.
Skechers. Ang laki oh, kabayo oh. Laking kabayo, guys. Stallion. There it is.
Bij bleu dat.
Ay, maganda pa dun eh. Yung sa dulo. Club Bruges City Shop yan. Ganyan yan. Tignan natin yan. Parang sarado naman. Jack and Jones. Yan ang dapat pag makita mo na lao mo ta kang ko magbiro kita nagligat nagbiro ko ta. Diba? Hirap maghirap ngayon, guys, ng ASICS na GTX Gore-Tex. Nih. Masok na naman si madam.
Nee, het is zo'n berg en zo'n beetje pand.
Beer Museum. Ito, Beer Museum. Beer Museum, guys. Maganda. 4 beers, 10 euros. Oh, ito na. Lasing na. 4 beer. Hapa. Souvenirs, guys. Bruges. So tayo sa loob. Ito Bruges. Oh, yan pa. Video ko na lang. Oh. Alright, let's go. Ang ganda rin itong van, no? Volkswagen, no? Volkswagen. Kita nyo ba sa taas? Volkswagen. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Amsterdam lang, guys. Amsterdam lang malakas, guys. Amsterdam lang malakas. Napapunta tayo doon. Uy, sarap, oh. Sarap ng food. Ayan, yung Belgian waffle. Belgian waffle. Haba ng pila. Ano pa mayroon dito? Ayun, no. Pala.
Pero famosos son esos, eh.
Ganda rin. Architecture na, oh. Architecture. Architectural. Alam, guys. Architecture niya, guys. Kita nyo ba, guys? Ang architecture design, guys. And then the Volkswagen. Saan yung kasama ko nga? Pasok tayo sa loob, guys. What's here? Silence. I think it's a church or part of the church. Let's see, upstairs. What's this one? Hebreum Pegrirantes. Basilica, guys.
Et tu peux en voir encore aujourd'hui.
Oh, ganda. Alright, guys, nandito tayo yung Centrum. We're waiting for 5:30. The bus leaves around 5:30. Time check 5:08. Mag city tour bus lang kami para di na daw kami maglakad-lakad. Ang malayo, libutin na lang natin yung mga different spots. So, let's go. Let's go. Ang ganda, may ganito pa. Kita-kita yun. Yes ba? A lot of execution took in this place daw pala. This is the market square. Bell Tower.
Oui, mais pas là, pas en ce moment là, là non.
Bruges, the capital of West Flanders in northwest Belgium, is distinguished by its canals, cobbled streets and medieval buildings. Its port, Zeebrugge, is an important center for fishing and European trade. In the city center's Burg Square, the 14th century Stadhuis City Hall has an ornate carved ceiling. Nearby Market Square features a 13th century belfry with a 47 bell carillon and 83-meter tower with panoramic views. Lepers, yung mga sakit dati, dyan daw. Lepers. Yun kaya may railings, so makakulong sila din. Isolate. Museum Demo.
Good for the ladies.
Yeah, but
Not always for the man.
oh yeah, very true. Pinakamasikip na kalsada, Stroodstraat. Eskinita. St. John's Hospital.
Just love it inside.
Jerusalem Church, Malstraat. Broad Salon Church. World Heritage, nasa heritage site. Mga buildings na may white and black designs. UNESCO. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, pabalik na tayo. Tapos na tayo dito sa Bruges. So, lalakarin na lang namin pabalik. Yan. Thanks for watching. Hindi nyo masyado naintindihan yung city tour kasi naka-headset yun. So, hindi naman ako pwede magsalita ng masalita doon kasi ang dami rin namin kasabay. So, yun, mga short lang. Siguro ilalagyan ko na lang ng mga kung ano, tatype ko na lang. Yan. Dito na tayo ulit. Lakad tayo. May mga carnival pa dito, carnival or peryahan. Peryahan guys, pero mahal yan kasi euros. Peryahan guys, walang piso-piso dyan, euro dyan, bayad dyan guys. So talo ka dyan guys, let's go. Yun guys, adventure kami. Lakad kami dito sa park kasi 20 minutes pa yung bus. Kaya lang nakaghintay kami doon, nakatayo. Diretsuhin na lang namin ito. So dito tayo sa may kalsada. Yan. Park. Right. See you in the next vlog. Thanks for watching.
Ciao. Over.
Isara mo na. Isara mo yung camera.
Ano sarap?
Tignan mo, takpan mo.